Hello everyone, this is Yang Sun. So my project is the measuring reaction time. So this is the phys100 project. So the first line is the materials used. I have three things used in this project. The first thing is the ezel, so I will show you later. And the 10 people, the 5 males and 5 females, and the reaction straight. So how to make this reaction straight? So first thing you need to make sure the units. So the unit of the length is the millimeters, and the time unit is the milliseconds. So the G is equal to the 10 meters per second. So in here, why I use the 10 meters per second because it's easy to calculate. So the h is equal to half gt squared. So the t is equal to the square root 2h divided by g. So every 5 millimeters is the unit of the stress, and to calculate the time. So in my sheet 2, you can see there is the every 5 millimeters is the unit. So this is my graph. You can see, and my stress is draw the lines and put this number in the stress reaction straight. So the sheet one is another graph is used the 10 milliseconds to be the unit. So let's go back to the PowerPoint. So the equation used in the itself is the t is equal to the square root 2h divided by g. When you get the mean, you can use the sums and the area you want to calculate to minus the divide by the number of the line. When you want to get the standard deviation reaction, you can use this convenient way. I will show you in here. You can just put the STDV and select this area you want to calculate. So this is the easy way to get the standard deviation. So this table is the males without the stimuli. So you can see some people is not to pay attention, so they will the first job. Like I said, this the red means job. If job, I will automatic turn to the max reaction times. So the mean is the 125.7 from the first, and their average from the 5 males is the 131.02, and this is woman without the stimuli is the 156.76. That means the males is faster the females. If we with the stimuli, we can see the difference between the means. So you can see there will difference between the 152.7 and 172.7. They are almost 50 milliseconds. This is almost 50. So you can see the difference between the with stimuli or without stimuli. Also in females, difference between is just 30, 60, 40, 40, 10. Actually, this one is have the slow reaction, so you can see there the with stimuli or without stimuli is isn't different too much. Let's go back to the PowerPoint. So did the stimuli you use affect the subject reaction time? I think so because you can see if without the stimuli just one people drop. If with the stimuli you can see there will some people there have many times to drop. Also like the females, there is a lot of the drops in the with the stimulants. So like I mentioned, the males is faster than females. And when you talking on the cell phone, you need to pay attention to the thing what you're talking and thinking. This like the stimuli. So when you're driving a car, this thing will decrease your reaction time. Sometimes the 10.1 seconds is very important in the freeways. You know the freeway we can drive 70 miles per hour is very fast. So would the current castles be suitable for the slow reaction time? No, if your reaction time is greater than 2 seconds, use the equation h is the half gt squared, so the h need to greater than 20 meters. That means there will three, three or four floors high. However, the castle only 20 centimeters long. I'm not sure so how to measure the person with the slow reaction time. I only know we can make another test, use different thing to test it. So would the current castle be suitable for the faster reaction time? Yes, I can change the units, the 5 millimeters per unit to the 2 millimeters per unit. So it will be occurring. So this is my presentation. Thank you for listening.